In this video, I'll show you how to disable animations in Windows 11. This can help make your PC feel a little faster, especially if Windows menus, windows, or effects feel slow. So first, click on the Start menu, then open Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Accessibility. So now click Visual Effects. At the top, you should see an option called Animation Effects. You can just toggle that on and off. Once this is off, it will reduce or remove animations when opening windows, menus, or other parts of the system. So if I minimize that, it just goes straight up and down. Turn it back on. There's the little animation. You can also turn off transparency effects here if you want Windows to feel a little bit cleaner and maybe a little bit more responsive. If you're looking for the best performance, then yep, turn that off as well. Another way to disable more animations though is through the advanced system settings. So if we go to Start menu, do a search for advanced system settings. Under the performance section, press settings. So there's loads of different visual effects in here. So if you want to reduce animations, you can choose adjust for best performance. If you want to keep some visual effects, choose custom and then untick an animation, such as animate controls and elements inside windows. You can turn that one off. Animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. Animations in the taskbar, so turn those off and then just play with the other ones and see which one you prefer. And then once you're done, just click apply and that's it. Hope that helps.